If you're trying to sell product, services, or digital content online, you might have heard about platform called StanStore. But what exactly is StanStore and how can it help beginners start selling online? In this video, I will explain StanStore in simple words, so even if you have never sold anything online, you can understand how it works and how it can help you. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share the tips to help you start and grow online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to get special offers or tools that can help you to set up your online store faster. By using the description link, any discounts or bonuses they will be applied automatically. So you don't need to worry about missing out. So what is Stan Store? Simply, Stan Store is an online platform that lets you sell products, services, or digital content from one page. Think of it like a mini online store that is easy to set up and manage, even if you are a complete beginner. You don't need a website or coding skills. StanStore gives you a simple page where you can list everything you want to sell and share the link with your audience. One of the main advantages of StanStore is simplicity. You can create a page in just a few minutes. You can add your product or service, you can set prices and start selling. You can sell digital product like ebooks, courses or PDFs. You can also sell physical products, accept payments or even offer services like coaching sessions or consultations. Everything is handled on one page, which makes it very easy to manage. StanStore also built in payment processing, which means you can accept payment from your customers without needing extra tools. You can connect your Stripe or PayPal account and your customer can pay easily and safely. This removes one of the biggest problems beginners face when trying to sell online. Another feature that makes StanStore beginner friendly is its integration with social media. You can share your StanStore link on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook so your followers can buy directly from your page. Many creators use StanStore to sell digital products like guides, courses, templates, or merchandise without building a full website. This makes it faster and simpler to start earning online. StanStore also allows you to organize your products in sections and categories, add images, descriptions, and even collect customer emails. This way, you can build an audience for future product or promotions. Some people also use StanStore to sell services like consulting, coaching, or personalized help, making it versatile for different type of business. One important thing to know is that StanStore focuses on simplicity over advanced features. If you need a full e-commerce website with complex feature, inventory management or multiple payment gateways, you may need a bigger platform like Shopify. But for beginners or creators who want to start selling quickly with minimal setup, StanStore is a very strong option. In short, StanStore is a beginner-friendly online platform that lets you sell products, services, and digital content from a single page. It is easy to set up, integrate with payments, work with social media, and allows you to start earning online without technical skills. It is perfect for creators, freelancers, and small businesses who want a simple way to start selling. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this explanation of StanStore helped you to understand what is it and how it can help you to start selling online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to get special offers and tools. These discounts or bonuses they will be applied automatically when you use them. And I will see you in the next video where we explore more beginner friendly tools to help you succeed your business.